Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by verifying your GPU model and current driver so you fetch the exact update you need. Once done, create a restore point or snapshot to undo changes if something goes wrong. Next, close GPU-heavy apps and disable antivirus temporarily to prevent installer interference. Then download the correct Nvidia package. GeForce Experience makes this smoother on Windows, while on Linux you may grab the Run File or Repository package. This prevents mismatches and saves time during installation. You run the installer with elevated privileges to ensure drivers replace old files. On Windows, pick Clean Install if offered to remove legacy conflicts, while on Linux, use the Package Manager or the Run File with DKMS when possible. During installation, select core graphics and relevant extras like FIS X only if needed to avoid bloat. Once the installer finishes, reboot immediately to load the new kernel modules or driver files. Then verify success with Device Manager, Nvidia Control Panel, or Nvidia. You should test the update by running a representative game or benchmark and watching temperatures and stability. This confirms the driver works under load. If you encounter crashes, blank screens, or worse performance, first roll back using the system Restore Point or Device Manager, then retry a clean reinstall. For Linux, remove conflicting packages and rebuild kernel modules. Finally, make sure to avoid beta drivers on essential machines and schedule regular checks, so updates stay smooth and predictable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.